Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Sandrimit. I trying to make another Minecraft. So today, kita ay nagbalik or we are back in Minecraft Let's Play. And this is episode 4. So, let's start. So, hope you enjoy. And yes, guys, I'm here again. So, so nakita na ito ang village, guys. You can see. Ayan, guys. And oh, hina akong bar. Okay, so, okay. Oh my god. Ang tulog sa ito. Ayan. Yes. Okay, so, I think it's done. So, we are moving my house to village because I have a neighbor na ako silingan. Yay! Okay, so ito malaya ito diri. I think diri ata. And oh guys, no, I'm sorry guys kung uh, wala ko nag-upload for just now or tugay-tugay na because ano guys, na problema ang akong tablet, then ano siya guys, broken. Yeah, I'm sorry guys kung wala ko na upload, but still nakulam lang ko sa other phone from my no. Okay, so we are here in the house. Okay, so hello house. But don't worry guys, yung tablet siguro pa yun para guro na ako, yung screen ng guro. Pero yeah, but still, upload yapon ko guys. Yan, yan. Okay, so, bali na itong mga gamit na ito diri. Kaya last na ko diri ito kay naghantog mobs 3. Yeah. Oh, puno naman akong gamit. Kaya na ito ano. Ano na yung ito dirt. Then, ting mga raman. Yep. Okay, so wala naman dyan ako mga gamit diri. Oh, leather cup. Oh, remember na ako itong kanan. Skeleton ba to? I don't know. Ayan okay guys. Ito ay pang bili na to. Hey. Okay. Oh no. Kailangan ba na ako pambalhin? Okay, thank Diyos man dyan ako lang. Ano ka natin flash? Hindi na ako ganahan. Yep. Okay. Okay. Then, ano? Think mauro na. Yep. Mga suga. Diris suga. And siguro, so I'll be right back. Because we are going to village. Yeah. Oh, what? What? Huh? Oh, glitch, I think. Yeah. Kapit na hulog. Okay. Oh, labo. Oh, gani. Thank you, Stone. Gani si Stone nagbaw. Okay, so asam na to itangan. Itang house rin ba't lang na doon. Kanang mura ka na lang okay sakto lang bag. Yeah. Yun. Kani nice. Okay. Ayan na, naman eh. Okay, so may mga bed really. Okay, anyway. Buta na ito ano rin. No, gamitan na pati ano. Okay. Then, kau dah nak. Yeah, 3 beds. Hello, villagers. Huh. Okay, so I think tanggalan na to tong house na to because loy kayo kaya basi monsa pa lang loy kayo sad bo oh delayed late 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 ano na late ano hello horse siguro sunod guys siguro maghimo ta ka no animal farm. Yeah, or farm. Para ano yung mga baby sheep. Yan ang ato itong i-adapt. Well, di ato i-adapt. Ibutan na sa farm. For hindi ano lang food or anything. Pero nagyap di makaya ng parkour. Pong 2. Okay, so may isa ka light dito. Wala nang biyahan ako. Oh no. Okay, so kailangan tanggalin. Alright. Then, think. Redwoods. And sorry guys, sa noise kung na may nadunggan nga. Airing na away fighting diri. Sorry guys. Okay, so ting mo ra yun. Wow, abanto na. I-demonstrate it. Pero well, ito man mag-umlaw niyo sila Minecraft. Nga kung kailangan to, ano ba magkuha to, real fish, like the pig of the cat, breeding cause cat pig. Cow plus sheep, cow sheep. Here's the tree of the oak, called the oak tree. Huh? Okay. Trespassing. Whoa, nice mountain. You can see guys, nice kayo. There we go. Hello, horsey. And then nga pa villager iron golem. Kaya nga iron golem guys, kaya ano na gabantay ba na para protehan ng mga villagers. Sabi na. Okay, so tanggal ako ni pero sunod na ko. Anyways, so I think done na. Yep, done na. May mga code dito pero check na natin. Bando naman. Okay. So yeah guys, so we are here in village. So think I hope na enjoy ninyo akong video. And sorry guys for not uploading tugay na. And sorry, I will be uploading more videos guys, don't worry. Okay, so please like for more videos and subscribe. If you amazing, then I see you in the next one. Goodbye.